A very good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss ecological succession. And ecological succession is also an important topic of the ecology or ecosystem. Ecology succession means how to develop ecology. As we know, in the ecology, producer, consumer and decomposers are present. In this topic, we study how ecology is developed. So ecology succession we can classify into two types. First is primary ecological succession and secondary ecological succession. Primary ecological succession means in any area there is no life is present, there is no trees, no animals are present. After some time, in a bare area, some soil is developed. How soil is developed? So by the weathering of rock, soil is formed, and soil facilitated to grow the plants and animal. So when in any area, when the ecology develop only in first time, it is called primary ecological succession. In the secondary ecological succession, in any area, there is a developed ecology is present. Due to some mishappenings like forest fire, any diseases, earthquake or volcanic eruption, landslide. So in particular area when the ecology is totally ruined, no life are remained. After that, after some time, after some year, again ecology is developed in particular area. It is called secondary ecological succession. Means in the primary only first time ecology is developed. In the secondary means after ruin of the ecology, after that means is happening, ecology is totally ruined. After that again it developed. It is called secondary ecological succession. And now we see mechanism of ecological succession. That means how ecology is developed. What are the steps for ecological development? So the mechanism, first step is nudation. Nudation means it is the development of bare area. So here we assume it is a particular area and this is bare area. This is bare area. There is no life. So when the bare area is formed, so as we have discussed, by the weathering of rock, soil is formed. So a bare area is developed. There is no life. It is called nudation. It is called nudation. Here no life, only a bare area is developed. The second is invasion. Invasion means we can say invention. It is slightly resemble the invention. That means when the bare area is developed and the seeds can come by some migratory birds, by the birds. So some seeds, suppose some seeds here present from the outside, and after some time they germinate and small plants are developed there. It is called invasion. That means life is start in that particular area. So this is called invasion. And third is competition and coaction. Competition and coaction means when some different varieties of plants are developed in a same area, and after that compete with each other. And during the competition, some species are developed or can survive, and some can damage. So some species can damage, they can die, and this is called competition. That means the strong species can survive, can grow, and other species or plants can die. So it is called competition. And auction means competition may be inter-specific or intra-specific. And which type of competition occur? So for using water, for using space, so such type of competition occur. It is called competition and auction. And fourth is reaction. And when any species grow properly, so they react with each other, and reproduction and some other process occur, and finally they established, or we can say their species can be grow properly, and yield of this species may be grow, or a proper ecology is developed day by day. And finally stabilization occur. Stabilization, that means after some time we see lots of different varieties of plants, grasses, animals, birds can be developed, and a developed ecology. Lots of different types of species can be developed, and a complete ecology is developed. It is called ecological succession. So I hope you have cleared all doubts. If you have any question, please write on the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and take care.